Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on, you? That was a good slap. What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This was sent by Lucas, and I don't know what's in here, but it is kind of heavy, so it's either one hulking knife or maybe multiple knives. I'm excited to check it out. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Now we're coming up on 20,000 followers on Instagram. Thanks, guys. I appreciate that. That's crazy. Okay. Let's get into this box. Sometimes, you know, as many times as I throw that card, sometimes they just land perfectly. Just the right surface. One. Paper. Want paper? Is there a note? Yeah, there is. Okay, good. Thanks for the packing materials. I'll reuse those. Sorry. Let me get this out here. Typed up. Beautiful. Hey, Metal Complex. It's Knife Life. I'm going to guess that Knife Life is... Yeah. I was going to say, I recognize that. Let me give you guys his info here. Instagram. k.knifelife. Facebook, Knife Life. YouTube is also Knife Life. Please follow him on these various social media platforms. It's because of people like him that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. I hope you enjoy these two beauties. One's a little bit of a beast. I can feel that. And one is extremely refined. Both are. Ooh. Oh boy, guys. Yeah, so you're in for a treat here. That is not what's in here. Oh, God. Hang on. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we got a couple of Striders here. Holy crap. All right. Well, we might as well go ahead and take a look at the Monkey Edge. If you're not aware, right, I will not be able to provide links for these. So for me and you, this will just be eye candy. Can you? How? Why? Oh yeah. Okay. There we go. Holy crap! So this is a MEFP or Monkey Edge Frag version of the Strider SNG, and I believe this is a performance series given that the thing is entirely titanium. Oh boy, that is epic. Is this a user? Do you use this? That's amazing. Good for you. There we go. Nice centering there. So, sorry, left-handed reverse flick. Sorry. Let's try again. Yeah. So, something that I've always appreciated with Strider knives is, of course, the ergonomic lines. I think that the Strider SNG is one of the most ergonomic knives in existence. A lot of the reason why I love the Shaman is also because of the ergonomic lines. A lot of people call the Spyderco Shaman the Strider Co. This isn't mine. That's why the clip is mounted for left-handed carry. But yeah, it's the Spyderco Shaman is very, very similar in ergonomic lines to the Strider. And you know, if you're big into ratios, then obviously the SNG, SMF, or PT are not going to appeal to you because there's an enormous amount of handle room versus the amount of usable cutting edge. That's not something that I care about. What I love about this is that I believe the Performance Series pivot, which looks a lot better to me than the Spanner pivot that they use. I also am a huge fan of textured titanium. In this case, we have anodized frag texturing, and it's contoured. That's gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. I wonder if this is... Usually on the Performance Series knives, they have the pocket clip mounted in this screw hole here. So I'm probably just not like familiar with terminology when it comes to Strider knives. But yeah, this is amazing. I have no idea what the steel is. Let's get out the other one, because the other one is a big boy. Oh my God. This is the first time. Oh, this is the first time that I have ever handled a full titanium SMF. Oh, god dang it. You're making me really want that. Ah, man, that is that's such a monster. Holy crap. What a beast. Jeez. Well, here we go. PSF 27. So if you don't know, Strider uses an incredible multitude of different steels. I mean, there are so many. You want to look at available Striders right now, you go to Arizona Custom Knives. They drop new ones all the time. I'm going to break a bunch of hearts here. You're not likely to find a Strider in good condition for anything less than $800 there, but you're going to see stuff like S30V, S35VN, 20CV, PSF, whatever, CPM 154. I've seen I think I've seen S90V or S110V. Lots of crazy stuff all over the place. This is just wild, man. I can't believe. Oh my gosh, this is cool. Holy crap. I'm really wanting to let me get my XMs out. So I've got an XM24 and an XM18 that I can compare to here. You guys know that Strider is a part of the original Holy Trinity. So the XM18, the SNG is the XM18 of the line, and the SMF is the XM24 of the line. Just let me move these up. I don't want to put any marks on his stuff. Wow, that is freaking way bigger than my XM24. That's why I wanted to compare it. What is this? Is this a normal SM? This is an XL. It's gotta be. This is an SMF XL? Hold on, let me look at this note here. They're MSCs. These are definitely customs. But so this is the first time I've ever handled an XL. This thing is huge. It is legitimately. It's legitimately dwarfing my XM24, and the XM24 is a 9¼ inch knife. Now you can see here on the 24, actually, I think it's an optical illusion. I think the titanium is the same thickness. Yeah, there you go. I wonder if the Strider is actually a little thicker. But see, because of how they do this at the edge, which is beautiful, it makes it look thinner up here. But the blade stock is about the same, 190 thousandths. It's just an absolute monster. Wow, what a beast. This is crazy. I mean, listen, I love the Monkey Edge frag, and this would make an ideal EDC, right? This guy, this is unbelievable overkill. So these run on washers, which is great. Man, there's so much room here. That is so crazy. I love how they do this in here. Look at that. Love the pivot. Huge fan of that. Look at that massive. So the open position stop pins are their stops attached to the blade, right? But in the closed position, you have this enormous stop pin back here. A couple of big old standoffs. How are we on centering on this guy? Hey, right there. I wonder is this a newer one? Golly. Yeah, see, that's what I was talking about. That's what I usually see, how they mount the pocket clip, and I prefer that. But that's how they usually mount the pocket clip, I think, on the Performance Series knives. Is this a user? Do you use this? Yeah, it feels like he uses it. Wow, good for you, man. That's wild. I've looked at the SNG before. I've reviewed it. In fact, I think I've reviewed multiple SNGs. I've reviewed the SMF, but I have never looked at an SMF XL, if that's what this is. What is the grind I'm noticing? Yeah, so this is hollow ground, sorry, up here. Nice wedge. Very cool, man. Very, very cool. What a monster. I can't believe, I just can't get over how much bigger that is than my XM24. Look at that. That's crazy. Holy crap. Let's find out how much it weighs, just for fun. I didn't know that you were, I thought you were just sending me a regular SMF. And I was like, oh, cool, it's full tie. 9.14 ounces. Holy crap. Oh, God. What a tank. This brings me so much joy. I don't even know how you found this. To the gentleman, Knife Life, I have no idea how you found this. This is one of the coolest looking Striders I've ever seen. I love it. And I love the Monkey Edge Frag version that you've got here of the SNG as well. Okay. It's been 10 minutes of me just talking about how cool these are. Obviously, this is not a review. If you're new to my channel, this is not how I review knives. I don't just open them up knowing nothing about them and then just, oh, yeah, it's pretty good. No, this is an unboxing, which means that I'll have to spend a couple of weeks with these guys learning everything that I can so that I can bring you individual comprehensive reviews down the road. So you can expect to see individual videos on both of these. I will absolutely do videos on both of these. Yeah, thank you so much, Knife Life. Again, make sure you follow this guy. It's providing some very unique content on this channel now. So yeah, there you go. Anyways, please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.